Hey, what's going on? I'm Blahzay from Blahzay, a classic hip hop group from New York City. And I'm very excited to bring to y'all something that I've experienced that was real special to me. Running into and coming in contact with Legion of Goodwill. This is an organization that helped me out when I was trying to get to Brazil and something magical happened. And that's what I'm really excited to talk to y'all about today, which is Baby Citizen. Baby Citizen is working with the young, new, beginning family. It's a big situation going on in New York. I've personally been experienced by it, of mothers being displaced and starting a new family. And here today at Legion of Goodwill, we are showing y'all a way that we can fix this problem, and we can work together to fix this problem. So you may ask yourself which ways you can get involved and which way you can be responsible for your community. Well, it's like this. If you don't have the time, maybe you have the money. If you don't have the money, maybe you have some supplies that you can bring in. I ask y'all to come join us. Come join Blahzay and Legion of Goodwill. Let's be responsible to our communities. Let's send a message to the future, because working with the baby citizens is giving a message to the future. So, we can do it, we can be responsible. We all we got, but we all we need.